Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Homebase Scheduling step by step. If you manage a team and want to create work schedules, track shifts, and manage employee availability, this guide will help you get started. Let's get started. Homebase is a workforce management platform that helps businesses create schedules, track employee hours, and manage team communication. Here's how to use the scheduling feature. Step 1. Log in to Homebase. First, open your web browser and go to the Homebase website. Sign in using your account email and password. Once logged in, you will see the Homebase dashboard. Step 2. Open the Schedule tab. From the main dashboard, click the Schedule tab. This section allows you to create and manage employee shifts. Step 3. Add employees. Before creating schedules, make sure your team members are added. Go to the Team section and click Add Employee. Enter the employee's name, email, and role. Step 4. Create a new shift. Return to the Schedule tab. Click on a date and time slot where you want to create a shift. A shift editor window will appear. Step 5. Assign an employee. Select the employee who will work that shift. You can also set the start time, end time, and position. Step 6. Add notes or instructions. You can add notes to the shift if needed. For example, you might include instructions or reminders for that shift. Step 7. Publish the schedule. Once all shifts are created, click Publish Schedule. This will notify employees about their upcoming shifts. Step 8. Manage availability. Employees can set their availability in the Homebase app. This helps managers avoid scheduling conflicts. Step 9. Edit or update shifts. If you need to make changes, simply click on a shift and edit the details. Employees will receive notifications about schedule updates. Important tip: using scheduling templates can save time if your weekly schedule stays similar each week. And that's it. That's how to use Homebase Scheduling step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical business and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.